Hello students, in the last video we have studied about simplest form of the fraction. If one or the other fraction is given to us, then how to give simplest form to the given fraction that we have discussed in the last video. I think you got idea about it. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me, no problem at all. Today I am going to start the next point from the lesson, that is comparing fractions. How to compare the given fractions. Before that, when we are going to compare the given fractions, there will be two fractions. Then from those fractions we are going to compare, means we are deciding which is the greater one and which is the smaller one. That is known as the comparison. Which is the superior and which is the inferior, that we will decide over here. But before that, there are two basic concepts. Those first concepts I want to tell you, and after that we will see how to compare the given fractions. Which one those two basic concepts, or which one those are important concepts, or which important concepts are there before studying this point comparing fractions. Those are, first one is the like fractions and second one is the unlike fractions. If you well known about those two concepts, then you can easily compare the given fractions in a proper way. Okay, first of all I will explain here what is meant by like fractions. I think many of you heard about this, or you learn this word like. Like means similar. Like means what? Similar. Okay, generally we are taking this word like means as a choice. Okay, but generally like this word is also this like word is used as a similar, synonyms, like that. Okay, like fractions means the fraction those who are having same nature, or we can say those who are having same characteristics, same features, those fractions are known as the like fractions. But what is the exact definition of the like fraction, that I am going to tell you in case of this fraction lesson. Listen carefully. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. What I said, I will write here, like fractions are fractions, like fractions are fractions with same denominator. This is very important. With same denominator. With same denominator means, suppose someone will ask you what is meant by like fraction, you can say similar, but in which case we are going to identify this is the like one and this is unlike one. Okay, what is the criteria for that? This is the criteria. See here, like fractions are fractions with same denominator, means the fraction those who are having same denominator, those all fractions are known as like fractions. Those all fractions are known as like fractions. For example, I will give you here example. For example, suppose 1 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9. See here, denominator of those all fractions is 9999. Okay, means we can say the given or the written fractions are like fractions. Do you understand what I am saying? Like fractions means what? The like fractions are fractions, or we can say the fraction those who are having same denominator, those fractions are known as the like fractions. Okay, totally opposite in this case, unlike fractions. Do you understand what I said? In like fractions, what I told, the fraction those who are having same denominator. Here what we are going to write, unlike fractions are fractions with different denominator, nothing else. Do you understand? Unlike fractions, what I am writing, same definition I am writing, only this word unlike, and instead of same denominator I will write different denominator. Okay, unlike fractions are fractions, unlike fractions are fractions with different denominator, with different denominator. Means the fraction those who are having different denominator. Here same denominator, here we took same denominator, now we will see different denominator. Means any fraction you can take. We can see improper fractions also are there. Okay, 1 by 3, 3 by 5, 4 by 7. See here 3 denominator, here 5 denominator, here 7 denominator. Those all fractions are, many examples you can give over here, those fractions are called as unlike fractions. Do you understand? Those are very important concept in this under this point, or we can say in this point, comparing fractions. Before comparing, you must know those two concepts. Which one? Like fractions and unlike fractions. The fraction those who are having same denominator, those are known as like fractions, and the fraction those who are having different denominator, those are known as the unlike fractions. Okay. Now I will start this point. Which one? Comparing fractions. In this first point, we will see how to compare like fractions. How to compare like fractions. Okay. What is the clue? What is the idea? Or we can say what is the proper things which or disciplines or rules are there? Some rules are there. Only one thing, suppose you will know or you will learn about that thing, then 100% you can easily compare the given like fractions within a fraction of second. Okay, what I said, you can easily compare within a fraction of second. Suppose you will learn about these things, what I am going to tell you now. Look here, when we are comparing like fractions, what do you know? In the like fraction, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater, because already I told you in the like fraction denominator are same. Okay, only here we have to observe whose numerator is greater. Okay, the fraction who is having greater numerator, that is greater fraction. Okay, means what I told you here, in the like fraction, what we have to do? The fraction with the greater numerator, the fraction with the greater numerator. What I said? The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. This is very important clue to identify which is the greater and which is the smaller. In case of what only? Like fractions. I am telling about now like fractions, not unlike fractions. What I said here, what I told, in the like fraction, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Means first of all, you have to observe the given fraction is like or unlike. How we are going to understand like or unlike? Just only look denominator. Okay, if denominators are same, those are the like fractions, and if denominators are same and though we have, once we are going to confirm those are the like fraction, then after that we have to focus on the numerator. If numerator is greater, then that fraction is greater. Which type of questions are asked on this? Like that question will be there. Compare 3/8 and 5/8. Compare means we have to decide which is greater and which is smaller. Solution given. What is given? 3/8 and 5/8. 3/8 and 5/8. Now we have to decide here which is greater and which is smaller. What I told here, look here, in the like fraction, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. See here, both are like fractions because denominator is same. Now you have to see here whose numerator is greater. Whose numerator is greater? See here, 5/8. Here numerator is greater. Here numerator is smaller. Here 5 and here 3. Means whose numerator is greater? 5/8's numerator is greater. Means we are going to write directly 5/8 is greater than 3/8. Simply like that we have to identify. Do you understand? Okay. Its denominators are same, but numerator here 5 is greater than 3. That's why this fraction is greater. Simple. Next example. See here. Solution given. What is given? 11/20 and 13/20. Both are like fractions because denominator is same. Now whose numerator is greater? Its numerator is greater. Means we will write 13/20 is greater than 11/20. 13/20 is greater than 11/20. That's over. Got idea? How to compare like fractions? Okay. This is the first point, comparing like fractions. Now we will go to the comparing unlike fractions. How to compare unlike fractions? Comparing unlike fractions. When we will compare the unlike fractions, or when we are going to compare the unlike fractions, that time you have to face here 2 points. First one is the same numerator and second one is the different numerator and denominator. Okay, already denominator is different, that's why we are calling unlike fractions. But here sometime if denominators are different, then also sometime they are having same numerator. That's why I have divided this point in 2 point. Which one? Same numerator and different numerator. Okay, now see here. Here also I am going to give you one clue. When we are going to compare unlike fractions and those who are having same numerator, if the numerator is same in the two fractions, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. What I said? The fraction which is having smaller denominator. I will write here, if the, what I said, numerator, if the numerator is same, the fraction with the smaller denominator, what is written here? If the numerator is same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. Is what? Is greater. Do you understand what I said? Okay, the fraction who is having smaller denominator. For example, see here. Here also we are going to compare. Solution given. First of all, there will be no question like that. See the given like fraction, see the given unlike fraction, like that instruction will be not there. Means will not be there. Try to understand what I am saying. Directly they will ask, compare. Here 2 by 3 and 3 upon 5. Here what will be the instruction? Compare. Here we have to understand. Here we have to first of all select. See the denominator. Denominators are different means unlike fraction. If denominators are same means like fractions. If denominators are same, if like fractions are there, then how to compare? I told you before that. Now I am telling about the unlike fractions. Now see here, 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Those both are unlike fractions, but they are having one point, that is same numerator. If numerator is same, then the fraction who is having smaller denominator, whose denominator is smaller, see here, 2 by 3, here 3 and here 5, here first fraction is having smaller denominator, then we have to write 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5. Is it clear? Once again, example I wrote here. Solution given. Okay, now see here what is given, 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 10. Whose denominator is smaller, 8 or 10? 8 is smaller than 10. Then what we will write? 1 upon 8 therefore is greater than 1 by 10. Do you understand? This much simple it is. Simply just you see the numerator. If numerators are same, see denominator, who is smaller one, that is greater. Next, different numerator. If the given fractions are unlike one, means denominators are different one and numerator also different one, then what to do? Here we have to use one, also one clue, that is, what is that? See here. Okay, here you are having two options. First one is that you can make numerator equal or you can make denominator equal. If you will make denominator equal, then those will be like fractions. Then we can compare easily as like previous. If you are making numerator same, then this first method which we have studied. Okay, I will show you here. Solution given. Okay, what we will do here? First, I will show you here how to make denominator same. If denominators are same, then like fractions will be there. We can compare it easily. Okay, for making denominator same, what we have to do? First fraction is 4 upon 5 and second fraction is 5 upon 6. We have decided here we are going to make denominator same. What we are going to do? Denominator same. Then for that purpose you have to multiply numerator and denominator by same number for making denominator same. Okay, 5 and denominator here 6 is there. If you will multiply here by 6 and here by 5, then denominators will be same. For example, like that, 4 into 6, 5 into 6 means 24 upon 30. Here suppose you will multiply by 5, then 6 into 5, that is 25 upon 30. See here, same denominator. Same denominator means now those are like fractions, 24 upon 30 and which one, 25 upon 30. If those are like fractions, then what I told here, once again I will come over here, greater numerator is greater. See here, whose numerator is greater? 25 is greater, means this fraction will be greater. Means this fraction means which one? The second fraction we have converted in this form, means we can write 4 upon 5 is less than 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6. Do you understand? You can make denominator same, otherwise one again option is there, you can make numerator same. For making numerator same also you have to multiply by same number to the numerator and denominator, like that you will get answer. Okay, I shown you here, try to understand, complete the notes, remaining points will continue in the next video. Thank you.